Prepare to embark on a journey into the heart of a chilling hypothetical scenario, a scenario that explores the nightmarish consequences of detonating a nuclear bomb in the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. In this gripping video, we delve into the question that few dare to ask: what would happen if a nuclear bomb was detonated in the Atlantic Ocean? As the waves of speculation crash against the shores of scientific possibility, join us on an exploration that unveils shocking facts, each revealing a different facet of the unimaginable horror that could unfold. While the notion may seem like a scene from a dystopian thriller, the truth is that the aftermath of such an event would have profound and lasting implications on a global scale. From the immediate devastation to the far-reaching impacts on the environment, climate, and geopolitical landscape, we aim to provide a comprehensive analysis that triggers contemplation, discussion, and an urgent call for nuclear disarmament. Fact 1. The terrifying premise. Setting the stage, the premise of a nuclear bomb detonation in the Atlantic Ocean sends shivers down the spine, prompting us to confront the darkest possibilities. While a hypothetical scenario, it sheds light on the potential consequences of humanity's immense power and the urgent need for disarmament. Fact 2. Tsunami generation. Unleashing giant waves, detonating a nuclear bomb in the Atlantic Ocean would trigger colossal tsunami waves, endangering coastlines worldwide. Understanding the mechanics of tsunami generation emphasizes the scale of destruction and the importance of coastal preparedness. Fact 3. Coastal devastation. Cities in ruin, coastal cities would face catastrophic destruction from the tsunami's impact, leading to widespread loss of life and infrastructure. Analyzing the potential scope of coastal devastation highlights the need for resilient urban planning and disaster management. Fact 4. Environmental fallout. A toxic tide, the detonation's aftermath, would introduce radioactive particles into the ocean, contaminating marine ecosystems and disrupting food chains. Exploring the environmental fallout emphasizes the fragility of ocean ecosystems and the implications for global biodiversity. Fact 5. Climate impact. A cooling effect. The release of water vapor and aerosols from the detonation would lead to a temporary cooling effect on the climate. Understanding the climatic consequences of the detonation reveals the interconnectedness of Earth's complex systems. Fact 6. Radiation dispersion. Global contamination. Radioactive particles released by the explosion would disperse through the atmosphere, potentially contaminating vast areas. Analyzing the global dispersion of nuclear fallout underscores the necessity of international cooperation and response. Fact 7. Human health impacts. Silent threats. Long-term exposure to radioactive fallout poses health risks, including cancer, genetic mutations, and radiation-related illnesses. Understanding the health implications highlights the urgency of disaster preparedness and the need for adequate medical response. Fact 8. Geopolitical fallout, diplomatic turmoil. The detonation would trigger international outrage, leading to diplomatic tensions, conflict potential, and reshaping of global power dynamics. Examining the geopolitical fallout emphasizes the significance of diplomacy, peacekeeping, and conflict resolution. Fact 9. Marine ecosystem collapse. Extinction underway. Marine life in the detonation's vicinity would face extinction, leading to ecosystem collapse and irreversible biodiversity loss. Analyzing the ecological catastrophe highlights the delicate balance of marine ecosystems and the importance of protection. Fact 10. Oceanic acidification. A chain reaction. The release of radioactive materials would exacerbate oceanic acidification, harming coral reefs, marine life, and the environment. Exploring the interconnectedness of oceanic processes reveals the cascading effects of environmental disruption. Fact 11. Societal disruption. Chaos unleashed. Societies would grapple with mass displacement, resource scarcity, and infrastructure breakdown, leading to humanitarian crises. Analyzing the societal impact underscores the importance of resilience, disaster response, and international aid coordination. Fact 12. Climate feedback loops. The ripple effect, the detonation could trigger climate feedback loops, amplifying the environmental impact and exacerbating global challenges. Understanding the potential feedback loops reveals the complexity of Earth's systems and the need for comprehensive solutions. Fact 13. Economic collapse. Financial tsunami. The detonation's consequences would ripple through economies, affecting industries, trade, and global markets. Examining the economic impact emphasizes the interconnectedness of financial systems and the importance of stability. Fact 14. Humanitarian response. Global mobilization. Humanitarian organizations would mobilize to provide aid, medical care, and support to affected populations across continents. Analyzing the complexity of humanitarian response highlights the need for international collaboration and resource allocation. Fact 15. Geophysical shifts. Earth in flux. The detonation could potentially trigger geophysical shifts, altering tides, currents, and geological processes across the globe. Understanding the potential geophysical consequences underscores the interconnected nature of Earth's dynamic systems. Fact 16. Long-term environmental recovery, a daunting task. The recovery of affected ecosystems would be a monumental challenge, requiring extensive restoration efforts over decades. Analyzing the intricacies of environmental recovery reveals the resilience of nature and the importance of human intervention. Fact 17. Psychological trauma, the unseen impact. Survivors and witnesses of the disaster would face psychological trauma, stress, and mental health challenges. Examining the psychological aftermath emphasizes the importance of mental health support and long-term healing. Fact 18. Cultural and historical losses, an irreplaceable heritage, historic sites, cultural landmarks, and heritage would be lost, leading to irreparable cultural and historical losses. Unveiling the cultural impact highlights the value of preserving human heritage and the lessons of history. Fact 19. Disruption of global communications, technological blackout. The detonation's electromagnetic pulse could disrupt communication systems, leading to technological breakdowns. Understanding the EMP's effects underscores vulnerabilities in our technological infrastructure and the need for safeguards. Fact 20. Call to action. A world transformed. The hypothetical scenario serves as a clarion call for nuclear disarmament, global cooperation, and the pursuit of lasting peace. Reflecting on the potential horrors underscores the urgency of collective action to prevent such catastrophic events. As we conclude this harrowing journey through the unfathomable aftermath of detonating a nuclear bomb in the Atlantic Ocean, we are left with a chilling reminder of humanity's capacity for destruction and transformation. The scenario may be hypothetical, but its implications are all too real, serving as a stark warning that we must prioritize peace, disarmament, and the safeguarding of our planet and its inhabitants. Let this exploration stir within us a renewed commitment to work together towards a world free from the threat of nuclear catastrophe. Subscribe now to stay informed, engaged, and empowered to shape a future where such horrors remain confined to the realm of imagination.